నాకు జ్ఞానం ప్రసాదించిన మా తల్లిదండ్రులకు, నాకు విద్యాబుద్ధులు నేర్పించిన మా గురువులకు మనసా వాక్య స్మరణ వారి పాదాలు ఎంతో నమస్కరిస్తూ శ్రీ గురుబ్రహ్మ శ్రీమాత్రే నమః. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ నిజం సార్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద వండర్ఫుల్ occasion to everyone and teachers, staff and everyone. So many thanks to everyone. This is the one of the most beautiful day in my life, and also I felt that very little unhappy. Why? Because I miss this school, and this is the great opportunity to work this place. And the students are very amazing and very disciplined. They are very careful to listen all classes. And thank you so much to giving this opportunity. And one of the best thing is, students, you must set your goal and you try to still now until your success. Hard work is very very important. You have to read every day, write every day, learn new things, and you have to set your goal. What do you want in your future? There are so many capable teachers are here. I am so much thankful to every teacher because they are such a wonderful teachers are here. I learned so much, a lot of knowledge from the beloved teachers. Thank you so much. And I want to tell about some teachers. First of all, Monday sir is the one of the very lovable person and helping nature, and always try to improve the schools. And Saira sir is the well known about the computer knowledge, and he was organized very well in the school programs. And last year I think he received so math best teacher award in this mandal. And congratulations sir. And Panda sir is a good devotee from the Sainath, Jagannath, and always he try to peaceful. And Raju sir, simply I said one word, he is a workaholic person sir. And Sankar sir always jovial and try to keep always cool. And Ramana sir always try to improve the student skills in maths. And but so many students are not able to try to catch that points. You are always taking very simple way. That is not correct. Maths is a very very important key role in your life. Maths and physics, chemistry, these subjects are very very important to in your bright future. So always try to improve your students. And I want to say Prakash sir is very sincere and very hard work, very commitment teacher. There are a few teachers are rare in the type of the teachers. Prakash sir is like a diamond in the school. I feel that. And Naga sir is my colleague in English. I am very very inspired to the Madhav sir because last year he got the 100% result in the school in English subject. Thank you sir. This is the great insight to me. And Brahma sir always enjoy the life with happy, and he take it easy way, and he posted always memes and grass to everyone's too happy. And Ramaswamy sir, he is always along with the students, and he is also very hard worker, and he always support to the students. And Hindi sir always cool and very good singer. I want to say one, my sister, she is the PD ma'am. I want to tell only one word. She has a belief, work is worship. She believes the only one word, work is worship. So thank you so much. And Shobha ma'am also a genuine and pure heart person, straightforward words. And Neelavati ma'am, she has a manuscriptor and very nice person. And last one, PS ma'am, I am very pleased to working with you. Thank you so much. You are always give a good subject to the students. And this is a wonderful chance to give the HM sir and our staff members. I hope this school will provide very good in the future because of all teachers are there and all subject teachers are here. Very good teachers, very experienced. Children, you must learn from the teachers. Thank you so much, HM sir. Thank you to everyone. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.